A bad girl and your friends bad too. Ooh, you got the swag, so she drippin' swag goo. You a bad.
Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to be unboxing my style bundle from Shop Bundle Brat. And before I get started, if you're new here, don't forget to follow me on my socials. Go check out the music video for Love and Better. I'm so excited to be finally unboxing and having a style bundle from Shop Bundle Brat. Shout out to Gwen for reaching out to me and telling me about their bundling business, I guess you'd call it. Told me that she had been watching some of my videos before, so just wanted to support them, and I'm super excited to finally have one. I've been wanting one for, well, ever since she told me about it, and mine finally came today. This one is for myself for my birthday, so I'm super excited. Oh, how cute. Look, it's so cute. Okay, I'm gonna read what it says. Oh, they put my name on it. Thank you for purchasing a bundle. Your support means the absolute world to us, and we hope you love your looks. Scanning your QR code for your personal Brat magazine, where we explain how we picked out your entire bundle. If you post any pics of your bundle or unique clothes, make sure to tag us on IG. Okay, cool. They're gonna show. Oh my god. Okay. Well, I'm kind of using my phone to record this, so I'll do this one later. Oh my god, I already see cow print. I think this is cow print, and I think I already love it so much. I'm seeing some really cute colors in here. So, okay, I'm gonna open it. Before I guess after I ordered the style bundle, I took their aesthetics quiz, and it was really hard for me because like my aesthetic changes like a lot. Like I'm really inconsistent. Okay, cool. So this is, I believe, the small style bundle, and it's one outfit. So I'm gonna start with the accessories first. So it comes in this little package, super cute. I just love stickers from like small businesses. I don't know why they're so cute. Ooh, okay, I've literally been looking for rings because I only have this one. This one's a promise ring that I made for like myself. Not that I made the ring, but like I just made a promise to myself about something. But these are literally so cute. This one's really pretty. Kind of an opal looking one. It's cute. I hope it fits. Okay, that's cute. And then this one is in the shape of a moon, and like I just love like astrological stuff. That's really cute. I love this. I'm gonna be wearing this like every day. Oh, it's like a little pink little satchel full of stuff. Okay, I see pink and I'm happy. Okay, so like I feel like I'm gonna lose these like really cute, but since I cut my hair, I feel like these will look better. Oh my god, I'm already wearing them. Okay, I'm gonna wear it. I feel like these look better on my short hair than if I had it with my long hair. So low-key power move. There's two bobby pins and this scrunchie. So they gave me like bobby pins and hair clips, I guess you'd say. So I think that's supposed to go with like this. Okay, let me see what the first thing is. Is this a bathing suit top? Is this supposed to be like a beach fit? It's so cute. Okay, because I have a cow print bathing suit that's like the opposite of this, so I'll wear it to the beach. It's so cute though. I love this. Okay, the next one is this cute. Oh my god, how cute. I love like lace stuff. I put that I like lace stuff. So they took that. Oh my god, it's like a baby doll kind of thing. Sorry, y'all can't see it. It's like this baby doll kind of thing. And then, oh my gosh, this skirt's really cute. The colors are really cute. It's so pastel-y. I believe I told them I like pastels. This is cute. So I think I wear it with, okay, I'm really gonna need to read your magazine. And then this blazer. Interesting. I love the color. It's so cute. So cute. It has like these gigantic buttons that I love. Okay, so I'm gonna try this stuff on, but first I think I'm gonna read the magazine thing first for their style, like how they put it together. So I'll be right back and I'll show y'all what it says on here. Okay, so I tried everything on, and that was me trying on everything. So now I'm gonna tell y'all what I liked and what I didn't like. So when I tried it on, this was kind of tight on me, and the more I was looking at it, the more I wished that it was kind of like cropped, and I think I just might end up tying it the way that I was wearing it. I think it's really cute though, and I still love the top, but I think I'm gonna be wearing this one, so I'm gonna try to find a way to like wear it with my other clothes. I think I would really like to wear this like with some of my wide leg jeans. I think that would look really cute, like tucked in or something. So I'm not mad at this, it's really cute. So the next thing is this top. It's a bathing suit top, and the only thing that bothers about it is that it's kind of loose. I think this is like a size large. It doesn't have a tag on it, but it fits kind of loose, and I don't think like I'm confident enough to like wear it as like a top like out, because like I got belly, and I probably will wear this at the beach. Like I know for a fact like I wear it at the beach. This one's a yes. And then this one I'm kind of sad about is because I actually couldn't fit in this. It was so short on me, and like I couldn't move, and it didn't zip up all the way, so this was a little too snug for me. But I love the skirt, I love the color, so it's just like measurements and stuff, which is kind of hard. And then the last thing is the blazer, of course. So I tried on the blazer, and I like it. I'm just not, I don't think I can pull off like the shoulder pads, but the color is amazing. I feel like I'd wear this only if it was halfway down on my shoulders. I feel like I can't do it when like I wear it all the way, because I feel like it makes me look boxy because like I'm short. But I feel like I'd wear this in some way. Like I'm gonna find a way like to like wear this, but like this is, I like it. I like the color and everything. It's just different than what I usually wear. So they took a lot of inspiration from my Pinterest board, I believe, that I showed them, and I believe I listed Melanie Martinez, and like they have this whole aesthetics quiz that they have you take, so they like get to know your style and stuff. I just think it's difficult for me because like I really don't know like my style, I guess. It's just very, you know, some girls like have like their set aesthetic, you know what I'm saying? And I don't really have that. I just know that I like certain colors and I like certain things. So overall, I think I paid $65. I don't know. I'll put something there. So I got an outfit. So I think I might just end up selling this skirt on Depop because I really can't wear it because it doesn't fit, which is a problem for me because a lot of my bottoms are hard to like, for me to like find bottoms that actually fit, because like I'm thick but like I'm short. So that's kind of a thing. I really love the accessories that they chose. I just love the rings, so I'm already wearing it. The scrunchie is really cute. I don't know how this would go with, I guess I'd go with the white one, but I don't know about the blazer. But I'm gonna give this a 8 out of 10. I think an 8 out of 10 is fair enough since the skirt didn't fit. But if y'all want to check out their website, I believe they restock every 2 weeks. So I might do this again, and I might update my aesthetics quiz and my Pinterest board, maybe retake my measurements, because I believe I told them I'm a 28, and like I'm pretty sure I'm a 28. Like I measured myself. So yeah. Kind of low-key disappointed that the skirt doesn't fit, because this would be so cute for the summer and for the spring, like an Easter kind of thing. It's kind of cute. But other than that, I think that's the end of this video. So stay tuned for more bundles. Who should I order from next? I really wish iGirl still had her bundles. I really love iGirl. Speaking of iGirl, I ordered her iGirl pendant, so I'm so excited for that. Their links will be linked in the description, and if y'all want to go try out their style bundles on your own, maybe this will help you decide if you want to get one. Thank you, Shop Bundle Brat, for making my bundle, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.